In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy, colorful manicure perfect for spring. To begin, start off with a base coat to protect your nails and help your manicure last as long as possible. Next, I'll be applying a nude color for my skin tone. This one is Adored by Maxus, and it's one of my favorites. I did do 2 coats to get full opacity, and I let it completely dry. To make the half moons, I'll be using a small detail brush with synthetic hair and several colorful polishes. To create the moon, I outlined the half circle shape and then I filled it in. It doesn't have to be perfect right now because you can always touch it up later if you need to. And if you're not comfortable freehanding this design, they do make French tip guide stickers that are slightly curved, and you could use that as a stencil. After the first coat of color dried, I went back over the half moons one more time to intensify the color. If you get some polish on your skin or the line around the cuticle isn't very crisp, you can clean it up with an angled brush dipped in nail polish remover. To sharpen the shape of the half moon, you can just use a little bit of your base color and just go around the edge. Once that dried, I finished with a shiny top coat, and here's how that looks. But then I decided I think I would like matte a little bit better, so I applied a matte top coat after that. And here's the finished look. I love how customizable this design is, and it's the perfect way to add a little bit of color back into your manicure. If you give this look a try, don't forget to share a picture with me, and if you'd like to watch a similar tutorial, you can just click on your screen here.